Hello guys, today I am going to share the card, the Eight of Swords, the card of interference, interference in mind, interference in soul, interference in mental levels, disturbed psychologically levels, disturbed events, disturbed mentalities about career. The upright card shows the feeling trapped. This may be due to a series of bad experiences and poor luck, and you begin to wonder if things can ever improve. While it does not happen exactly always, we can cross and remove the negative aspects of Eight of Swords if we find this card in our reading. But you may be anxious due to an unsatisfactory bond with an individual or an organization or with any type of the event, or can possible with any type of the situation. Specifically, you may be trapped by a credit agreement that leaves you little money for yourself. So try to be very much active about the concepts of money, about the concepts of your health, because Eight of Swords is not a destructive card, but it covers all angles of person with the huge power of the Eight Swords. The unfortunate Eight of Swords commonly reveals problems in careers and the intellectual or mental realm, and also sometimes it is the indicator of frustration and at its most extreme panic situations, hemmed in and unhappy we can feel when we get this card. Or you may be finding it impossible to do your work to your satisfaction due to unreasonable demands. Or sometimes it can happen that we are not satisfied with our job, we are not satisfied with our finances, and we are very much feeling helpless that how to earn money, how to get rid away from negativities. And if Eight of Swords is appeared according to the position of health, then you may be very much deep victimized of any type of the health regarding problem regarding stomach or belly or backbones. So try to get rid away from your pessimistic actions when you get this card in your reading. Also, there may be a sense of conversations going on behind closed doors and you are not party to. So you feel isolated when this card comes up in your reading and even vulnerable. So the card commonly arises in readings to show someone who is in a role that does not suit them, but they are under pressure to conform. So try to conform when you get this card in your reading that who is very much helpless around you. This is you are feeling the feelings of the Eight of Swords or anybody else around you, because Eight of Swords is very much deep sadness, the energy of sadness, the energy of helplessness. So it is a necessity that we have to be very much active when we get this card in our reading. We have to do the creative arts, we have to try to cross the limits of our positivities so that we can walk in the darkness with very much positive aspects, and then we can reach the levels of positivity and the positive levels of results. Many creatives and light workers go through this experience of not fitting in, but it takes time and confidence to find your path. So, the Eight of Swords shows that you can release yourself from those bonds, and it will take determination, and you may need to swallow your pride and ask others for support and advice. On a social level, the Eight of Swords can show you feeling humiliated or ignored, or you are feeling very much disturbed and degraded, and you are fear others' attitudes toward you. You are feeling that what he will think you, what she will think about you, what can I do now, I am very much helpless, I have not confidence, I am feeling nervous. These all feelings are related to this card of Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords actually is a very much strong card of energy when person feels victimized. So try to raise your confidence, so try to raise your positivities, your creativities, try to affirmate some things about you so that your right brain, your logical brain can follow the instincts whatever you will command to it. So Eight of Swords is a very much deep warning that some bad events are going to happen. Eight of Swords is a deep warning that try not to bind a ribbon on your eyes when you will do the financially dealings. Eight of Swords is a very much active energy about financial conditions, and it indicates that you are covering a ribbon on your eyes and you are exactly not looking the details of the things about finance. So open your eyes and focus an eagle eye on your finance when you get this card in your financial readings. Eight of Swords is a very much negative card for pregnancy. It is not a good card for pregnancy. So it says that a person should not conceive on this moment, then baby can be unhealthy. And Eight of Swords is a normally a very much strong indication of not getting the yes from your boss, not getting the yes from community. When you want to get the credits, then you will not get them. And Eight of Swords is the cards of subconscious. So don't put yourself in subconscious, because Eight of Swords is indicating that in present condition you will get not the solution from your subconscious. If you are feeling negative, listen me carefully. But if you are having the hope, if you have confidence, then try to use the logical part of your subconscious so that you can find the solution and the path wherever you have to reach for support and for determination. Additional meaning of Eight of Swords is that action is needed right now. Don't sit on a ground. Stand up and remove all type of the negativities and release yourself from the things which are not longer for now and for forever. Eight of Swords is a very much active symbol of mental disorder, hysteria, schizophrenia, nightmares, illusions, confusions, nervousness, and very much bad feelings from our inner voice. And we are going to get the feelings from mind which will be very much negative, and they are all omens of Eight of Swords. The unbalanced mind, just not only unbalanced mind, the mind which is very much negative, the subconscious thoughts which are now coming from the person's mind, and they are very much negative, and person is trying to moving ahead but he or she is not able to move ahead. These are all indicators of Eight of Swords. And when you are going to get this card in your marriage readings, then try to pose the function a celebration. Don't do it immediately, otherwise it will be a reason for getting the negative situations, because it will activate the portals of the negative energies. Eight of Swords is a card of insult. Also there may be sense of conversations, gossips around you, and you are feeling that you are victimized and you are being judged or being watched under the doors of your office, under the doors of your home. Eight of Swords having the necessity that you should leave the analysis, just open your eyes and put them at your goal. Don't analyze over and over. And it is the card of solitude, a negative aspect of solitude, a negative aspect of silence. So, Eight of Swords is a card of loneliness, but it is the necessity that we have to make ourselves lonely for taking a good decision.